Ants in your house? Yeah, they're annoying, but they're not just about stealing crumbs off your counter. Some of these tiny pests can actually cause serious damage to your home, like hollowing out wood or messing with your wiring. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. Knowing which type of ant you're dealing with is key to kicking them out for good, so let's break it down. Number 1. Carpenter ants. These are the big guys, usually black or reddish-brown, and they're all about that damp or rotting wood. They don't eat it, but they carve it up like little lumberjacks to build their nests. If you're finding wood shavings near windows or baseboards, you've probably got a carpenter ant problem. Fixing leaky pipes or replacing damaged wood is the best way to make them pack up and leave. Number 2. Odorous house ants. These tiny black or brown ants stink, literally. Crush one, and you'll get a whiff of rotten coconut. They love sugary snacks, so if you've got open cereal boxes or spilled juice, they'll find it. Seal up cracks around your pantry and wipe down trails with soapy water to confuse their navigation system. Number 3. Pavement ants. You know those little piles of dirt around your foundation? That's pavement ants at work. They're small, dark brown or black, and they love greasy or sugary foods. Watch for them sneaking into your kitchen through foundation cracks. Repair those entry points and clean up crumbs ASAP. Number 4. Argentine ants. These light to dark brown ants form massive colonies that can take over entire neighborhoods. They're drawn to moisture, so check under sinks and around leaks. Fixing plumbing issues and trimming back plants that touch your house can help keep them out. Number 5. Pheromone ants. These tiny yellowish ants are a nightmare to get rid of because they'll split their colony into multiple nests if threatened. You'll often find them in warm spots like kitchens or bathrooms. Skip the sprays. Use bait instead to get to the root of the colony. Number 6. Fire ants. These reddish-brown ants are mostly outdoor troublemakers, but heavy rains might drive them inside. Their stings hurt like crazy, so watch for mounds near your home. Treat those nests outside before they become an indoor problem. Number 7. Crazy ants. Their name says it all. They move erratically and love electronics. If your appliances are acting weird and you're spotting ants nearby, these guys might be nesting in your wiring. Seal up electrical boxes and keep moisture-prone areas dry. Number 8. Sugar ants. Not an official species, but any small ant swarming your spilled soda or cookies fits this description. Wipe down counters with vinegar to erase their trails and stash sweet foods in airtight containers. Number 9. Acrobat ants. These ants raise their heart-shaped abdomens when they feel threatened. Pretty weird, right? They hang out in damp areas, so basements and bathrooms are prime spots. Repair any water damage to send them packing. Number 10. Little black ants, super tiny but super annoying in large numbers. They usually show up in kitchens or bathrooms looking for greasy or sweet foods. Baits work better than sprays since they'll take the poison back to their colony. If ants have done more than just raid your pantry, maybe hollowed out wood or caused moisture damage, you don't have to deal with the mess alone. Head over to bighomeprojects.com to find trusted contractors who can fix the damage and seal up your home to keep these pests out for good. Don't let something small turn into a big problem. Get it handled today.